Welcome you all to TikTok YouTube channel. Hope all are staying safe and happy. So in last video today's quiz concept the question, who is the first women to go to space? Question note பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நிறைய பேர் ஆன்சர் பண்ணியிருந்தது வந்து it's Kalpana Chawla. She is the first Indian woman, but first women to go to space அப்படின்றதுக்கான correct answer is option C, Valentina Tereshkova. So in today's quiz question, which is the only animal to give both egg and milk? Options are penguins, platypus, raccoon and walrus. Answers comment box la post pannunga. We can discuss the correct answer in the next video. So இன்னைக்கு we are stepping into the last part of tenses. Next video la we'll be completing the overall tenses. இன்னைக்கு வந்து last concept of tenses, perfect continuous tense. Already 3 parts and this is the fourth one. Idhula there are 3 types, present, past and future. First, present perfect continuous oda uses enna, one is adavadhu past la aarambicha or action but still present la continue aayittu irukku appadina, that is the present perfect continuous. Anga nama we are going to use adavadhu action took place in past continuing in future. இதுக்கு ஒரு example let's take. It has been raining. Let's take for past 3 days. So it has been raining for past 3 days. It is an action which started in the past. Mala peya aarambicha 3 days munadi started in the past, but still it is continuing raining abindrathu. It is a continuous thing. So there it is a present perfect continuous oda or use. Next idoda use enga abdin kettingana, to show an action that began in the past. Adeda action began in past, ana idhula irundhu there is one change. Idu vandu continuing in future illa present. Action began in past, ana idu vandu continuing in present. Inga also ended in past. So in the condition we will be using present perfect continuous tense. Adavadhu action or action past la start ஆகி past just now முடிஞ்சது, ended in recent past. So அதுக்கு ஒரு example let's take. Have you been doing this work alone? So it started in the past. Have you been doing work alone? Start panni and the work mudichachu. So it is these two are the uses of present perfect continuous. Next nam paakpadhu past. And past and perfect ku simple verum or use da rendukkume. So let's see that soon. So past perfect continuous tense oda use enna appdin kettingana, to show an ongoing action in the past. Ongoing action in past, ana the other condition is it has ended. அதாவது ஒரு விஷயம் நடந்துட்டு இருக்கு, அது நடக்கும்போது some other interruptions have taken place, அதனால that action gets ended. So அந்த இடத்துல we will be using past perfect continuous. இதுக்கு ஒரு perfect example என்னதுன்னா, நிறைய இடத்துல we have seen இந்த செப்டம்பர் அக்டோபர் டைம்லலாம் கிரிக்கெட் மேட்சஸ் நடக்கும்போது it gets stopped or postponed. ஸோ அதுதான் they cancelled the match as it has been raining the whole night. So they cancel the match, அதாவது cancel பண்ணி முடிச்சிட்டாங்க. that is a past ஈடிங்கிறது that is a past action. எதுனால நடந்ததுன்னா it is an ongoing action. the whole night fulla it has been raining. that is a continuous, அதாவது ongoing action. so இதுதான் use of past perfect continuous. லாஸ்டா நம்ம பார்க்க போறது it is future perfect continuous. future perfect continuous. இதோட யூஸ் என்ன அப்படின்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா to indicate an action that is expected to complete by a certain time in future. action taking place but in a condition அப்படின்னா it will end in some time in future. let's take ஒரு nice example எடுக்கணும்னா let's say you will have been waiting for more than 4 hours for arrival of train. so in the sentence எடுத்துக்கிட்டா one it is future, அதனால will have been future continuous. okay, அதாவது இந்த sentence ஓட main meaning என்னதுன்னா 4 hours she is waiting, அதாவது action is taking place, ஆனா it is going to end in some time, அதாவது இன்னும் 4 hours க்கு அப்புறம் the train is going to come in certain time இல்லையா. 4 hours wait பண்ணாலும் the train is going to come, அதாவது ஒரு half an hour வரலாம் இல்ல ஒரு 1 hour வரலாம். so it is going to happen sometime in future. so அந்த இடத்துல we are going to use future perfect continuous. so this is all about perfect continuous tenses and இதோட tenses gets completed. ஒரு பெரிய topic, an important topic. next videoல overall comparison of present, past, future along with this 4, அதாவது simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. ஒரு brief or elaborated let's take as a comparison and let's complete it with the tense. அதுக்கப்புறம் we will go with some other new topics. so thank you so much, and as I already usually say, stay home, stay safe, be positive. thank you.